So in this video I'm gonna go through the checklist. First I'm gonna write my name. Now I'm gonna draw a schematic. So this is the plus, this is the minus, the current flow, that's my LED, my resistor, and I'm gonna close the circuit now. Yeah, that's the schematic. I'm gonna build the circuit. So I'm gonna stick my LED here. Then the resistor. On the same row as my short leg of LED. On the same row the positive power will go to make the connection with the longer LED. So now, as you can see, the LED is working. So on the diagram, this point here is here, where the positive wire is. This point here is right here, where the positive leg of LEDs, and then this point is right here, where the negative leg of LED is. Okay, so how the standard sockets are connected. So, for example, if I can connect my red wire, positive wire, to any hole on the same row with the longer leg. So I can put it here, here, here. It doesn't really matter. But if I put it here, the LED is not gonna work as the connection goes through only one row. Same with the resistor. If I can put it into any hole, same with the shorter leg of LED. But if I put it like that, it's not gonna work. And same with the negative wire. You can put it on into any hole with on the same row with the resistor. Yeah, that's pretty it. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how rail circuits are connected. So I'm gonna stick my positive wire into a positive rail and my negative wire into a negative rail. And now the current flows through the whole rail, through the whole negative rail, and same as here. The current flows through the whole positive rail. I'm gonna stick the wire So I can stick the wire into any hole on the negative rail and make the connection with the resistor. And same goes with the positive rail. I can put it into any hole and make the connection with the positive leg of LED. Now, as you can see, my LED works. Also, I can do it in a different way. I can connect rails from both sides with the wire and connect the wire with the resistor, so I can get the connection. As you can see, it works now. Same goes with the positive one. You can connect the positive rails to each other. I'm gonna take another wire and connect it to a positive leg of LED with the positive layer. So as you can see, the connection is made. So yeah, now I'm gonna show how the current flows through the circuit. So it goes from the battery to the positive wire, then the current flows from here to the wire on the positive rail. It goes like that, then it goes from here to this wire, green wire, that leads to a longer leg of LED. Then the current flows through the LED, meets the resistor, goes like that, from the resistor to this wire, to a negative rail, then from a negative rail to this wire, to another negative rail, and it goes all the way here to my negative wire, which goes back to a battery. Now I'm gonna put the second LED in. I'm gonna move my negative into another socket. So I'm gonna take my second LED
all this red wire, in fact it's all this red wire as well.
Make a connection with the wire and the resistor. If you can, as you can see, both of LEDs are working now. You can slightly see that the green is working as well. And now I'm gonna stick a wire between the LED and the resistor. To show what's going on.
Really what you're thinking of is those connections between components. Components of the screen.
You can turn the socket to make it more comfortable. And I'm gonna stick this inside.
This node here is connection between the that's it. When we're talking about nodes, we show them as points, but we need to know is actually.
Now, as you can see, I put the wire here so it blocks the connection, blocks the flow. So the current flows through here to the blue wire, which blocks the LED, and it goes here to the resistor, and that's the reason only one LED is working. So yeah, that's it. Checklist shown and updated during the video. It's done.